Section 5. The Neurobiology of the Immortal Mind. Unlocking brain codes that were never meant to expire. The triune brain and the soul interface. To understand immortality from a scientific lens, we must begin with the human brain, arguably the most sophisticated structure in the known universe. According to the triune brain model, our brain evolved in 3 layers. 1. Reptilian brain, brainstem. Instinct, survival, basic functions. 2. Limbic system, emotion, memory, bonding, and identity. Neocortex, higher thinking, abstraction, imagination. But this model, though foundational, omits something far more critical: the metaphysical brain interface. Ancient Indian yogis described the Sahasrara chakra or crown center as the seat of cosmic consciousness, suggesting that consciousness is not produced by the brain, it is received through it. Modern neuroscientists like Carl Pribram and physicists like David Bohm have proposed the holographic brain theory, in which memory and perception are not stored in specific locations, but distributed across an energy field, allowing the possibility that consciousness survives brain death. When we accept this, death becomes not a loss of awareness, but a reconfiguration of access to the interface. Glial cells and the forgotten network of the soul. Neurons have long dominated the narrative of the brain, but they are only 10% of the brain's cellular population. The rest are glial cells, the so-called support cells, but recent research has shattered that assumption. Glial cells maintain homeostasis, regulate neurotransmitters, influence synaptic plasticity, communicate with immune systems and endocrine glands, may act as quantum antennas for non-local consciousness. Spiritual traditions speak of etheric fields, aura layers, and pranic webs that transmit soul data beyond the body. Glial cells may be the biological infrastructure through which this subtle energy interacts with the physical brain. Studies at the University of Rochester show that astrocytes, a type of ghialia, can modulate consciousness states, particularly in dreaming and trance. Could glial networks be the biological bridge between the soul and matter? If so, then death is simply a shift in field dominance, from neuronal consciousness to glial soul continuity. Brainwave states and death-defying frequencies. The human brain operates across multiple frequency bands, each associated with a different state of consciousness. Research from Tibetan monks and advanced meditators shows elevated gamma activity during states of samadhi, bliss, and death-like absorption. But here's the revelation. Moments before clinical death, the brain spikes in synchronized